Hey everyone, welcome back. That's right, title's correct. For the Tesla. Now, I thought long and hard about this. It was one of those things that I felt like it was better for the family. And I researched, and ultimately I felt like this was it. All right, guys, so let's go into the garage and we'll check it out. Let's go. All right, guys, here we are. Let's look at the Tesla. All right, guys, here it is. Here's the Tesla. Now, I could not afford to buy the full car, only the battery. So here it is. Yeah, this 2021 Tesla Powerwall 2 Plus. I actually got lucky, ended up getting the Plus model. And how this happened was I ordered my Powerwall in May of 2020. I was on a list. I live in California. Obviously, we are prone to shut-offs when the grid the demand gets high, and also to when the fire risk gets high, they want to turn off the grid. So this should allow me to continue to do the things I want to do at home. Obviously, I can't run my AC on one Powerwall, and I may do a separate video on just talking about this in general. It's only been a few days, so I want to learn a little bit more about it, and then I'll do a full video about it. Those are curious. Now, I'm not going to say here subscribe, because some people may find this video, unusual. Somebody might find the video unusual for my normal content. So if you are curious, if you like cars, then check out my other videos. But if you are just new stopping by, just thanks for stopping by. But yeah, here it is. Okay. All right. So for people who are watching and they don't know what the Powerwall is, I know I talked about it. The Powerwall is like your standby generator. This is a way to power my house when the power goes out. It can hold up to 13.5 kilowatt hours. So it should provide me with my usage on our house, probably looking at maybe a day to a day and a half with our usage. Now, the benefit of this is that, first of all, it's no fuel, no natural gas. It's just battery power only. And the other benefit is during the daytime, my solar panels from my house will recharge the battery. So if it's sunny outside, I can almost run continuous. I can charge the battery, run off my solar at nighttime, run the lights, keep the refrigerator on, keep the food cold, save the food, and internet, TV. That's it. Now if I want to run the AC, I'm gonna need a second Powerwall, just because the AC needs so much power to start off. But everything's controlled through this gateway. So think of this more like the brains of it that controls like the solar generation and the grid. So when the power goes out, I'm not gonna even know. It's not like this is gonna be a 5-minute delay before it can switch on. It should be a seamless transition from the when it disconnects from the grid to where it switches over to the Powerwall. All right, it is expensive. I'm gonna make another video where I'm gonna go a lot more detail on this. I went back and forth on this for a little while, but with the incentives, the tax credit, it made it more affordable. I did look into some standby generators, but the problem with the standby generators, for one, the noise, then the fuel source, and to get the equivalent power that I'm getting from the Powerwall, by the time I installed, I would have been probably double the price, because I don't get any incentives, I don't get any credits back, so it is going to be more expensive. Also with this too, even the power is not out, I can still use my Powerwall to provide power to the house to kind of supplement. So during times where, think of it like this peak pricing, because also our area in California, PG&E, they charge us more money between certain hours of the day. So they're saying, I think 4 p.m. to 9 p.m. is when the power is the highest. That's why my AC just kicked on just now, because I have it programmed. Right now it's 9 o'clock. I have it programmed on my thermostat to automatically cool the house at 9 p.m. as opposed to running it during the daytime, because it'll pay more, it'll cost more. With the Powerwall, I can offset that. I can actually run my AC a little bit more to kind of drain the Powerwall first and then switch over to the grid. All right, I'm gonna make a little more detailed video. If you guys are interested, please leave a comment, let me know. I will go into the details. There are some videos out there too, trust me, but there's some also videos out there that I think that I will probably go more into the install process, how long that I wait, what all this contains, and a little more diving deeper. So let me know what you guys think about this. All right, we're gonna leave the video off, and those who follow the channel who are curious what my new car is, it will be unveiled this weekend. All right, so hang in tight. I got the new car, it is here. We're gonna have a video, I'm gonna show it, so don't worry. I know that those who are rooting for the Tesla, I'm sorry I didn't get the Tesla. It was just, I think there's just more time later down the road for an EV. I think I must enjoy the gasoline car a little bit more, and I said preferably a manual in my last video, so hope that gives you a hint maybe what I have. But yeah, we got to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching, and if you want to check out my other videos, be sure to do so. Just hit the video thing, hit my name, and you can check them out. All right, see ya.